Hey guys, so today I am doing my first King's Court squishy video. And yeah, so King's Court is like you choose two random squishies and you like auction them off. Like here's this one, it's really squishy. It's pretty squishy. Or the Aikiru and Friends Tiger. And like, it doesn't have to be based on anything. It can just be like, oh, I like this one. Like, this one's cuter, so I'll choose this one. Or this one's more squishy, so I'll choose this one. So it's kind of like a cute and squishy factor thing. So let's get on with the video. And also, please subscribe and leave a like on this video. So I'm gonna just pick two random squishies. Okay, so we have the strawberry Hello Kitty donut, or the Fat Pawpaw dog. The donut. So I'm gonna put the losers over here, and then I'm gonna put the winners over there. Alright, let's pick this one and this one. Okay, so we have the iBloom Tanker. It's really squishy. Or this Cat in a Cupcake. It's really dense. The iBloom Tanker. Alright, so I have this banana. It's pretty squishy. Or this bunny cake. The bunny cake. This one is really small, but it's not less squishy, so. Okay, so we have the strawberry, the iBloom strawberry. It smells like strawberries. And then the Aikiru and Friends Tiger. The iBloom Peach. Get in here. And this one. Alright. So the iBloom bunny. Its ears are ripping off, which is really sad. Or this Cat in a Cupcake. The bunny. Alright, so the Vlampo donut. This one has an air bubble in it. Or the Hello Kitty twin strawberries. The Vlampo. Okay, so we have this Hello Kitty in a donut. This is one of my newest squishies, and it's one of my licensed. You can see this. It's pretty squishy. Or this Squish Delish bear. The Hello Kitty in a donut. Let's put that right there. So, the Vlampo burger or the Joey fruit toast. Here. Oh my god, it's so squishy. This one. Still rising. The toast. Some of you might be shocked. Alright, so this mini turtle. Or the iBloom Jumbo Peach. I don't really. Oh, wait. I don't really. What? And then the last two is this dog, the Fat Pawpaw dog. Or the Capybara Sun Slipper. This one's more dense and this one's more soft. The Fat Pawpaw. Alright. Sorry, losers. Now I'm going to choose the winners and auction them off. Alright. This is the showdown. The iBloom Strawberry. Or the Vlampo Donut. The Vlampo Donut. I know, some of you are shocked. So we have the rabbit cake. It's pretty squishy. Or the iBloom rabbit. The iBloom rabbit. Next, the iBloom tanker. Or the Hello Kitty donut. The Hello Kitty donut. I know some of you guys are gonna hate me for this. So, the fruit toast. Or the Hello Kitty donut. The fruit. And then the last two, the Fat Pawpaw dog. Or the donut. Or, not the donut. The peach. The peach. Alright, now let's auction these winners. Oh god, this is gonna be hard. Alright. The iBloom peach or the toast. The iBloom peach. The Vlampo donut or the Hello Kitty donut. The Vlampo. Guess this one already. Did I do something wrong? Yeah. Alright. Oh god. The last two. The iBloom peach or Vlampo. Just saying, these are not all my squishies. These are just some of them that I picked out. I have like 5 other batches. The iBloom peach. So this is the winner for this round. Woohoo! So the iBloom peach is the winner, but all of them, all the squishies that I got out were awesome. They're all my most favorites, I think. So please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. And I will do another squishy video soon. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go check out my other videos and give this video a like and please subscribe. And above all else, stay awesome, possums. Hi, why do I copy from Rebecca Ballinger?